Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another video. And we today we're gonna be combining all toys in Animal Company and then try to use them and try to survive in a public server. Alright, so let's do this. So first of all, we need to get every single item that we need before we start. So like the balloon, the whoopee cushion. This I have in my stash, but I'll get it right now. This, 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 and this. Okay, now let me. While that cools down, let me get Let me get the thing. I think it's in. I think it's in this one. Yeah, right here. This sounds weird. Now, alright, so let's start with this. Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah, I could just do this. What's my name? I can tell something. Yo, yo! Oh my god! Oh shoot! No! It's still taking my money. No! Dang it! I can't get it! Dude, that just wasted all my money. Bro. Wasn't pretty, but it needed to be done for my son. I thought that they were mine. All I can say, it's alright, I'll be fine. Second shine, la 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 la. It's alright, I'll be fine. Second shine. Wasn't pretty, but it needed to be done for my son. I thought that they were mine. Oh, guys, did you know that in one of my first ever videos, my first ever object that I touched was actually a whoopee cushion? It was actually a whoopee cushion. Do you actually know that was my first item to ever touch? Okay, now... Ah! Okay, let's go ahead and sell. Oh, not sell. Also, this was also my every weapon in the game video. So y'all go check that out. Scan. Oh. Scan. Now that we got our thing, now at the beginning of the video, I told you guys that we were going to go to a public server to try to survive with this thing. So let's go ahead and do that. Wait, can you put these in your hips? You can't put them in your hip? Can you put them on your back? You can't even put them on your back. Dang it. I just realized that was gonna happen, so let's make another
What
duplicate.
is that, bro?
Let's go ahead and make another
Sure,
duplicate.
I can help you jiggle your cheeks. Yes, I have some jiggly cheeks.
Hey, I'll give a Pokemon card to somebody that'll let me radiate it.
I just got jiggly cheeks, you know? I'll let you have a Pokemon card if you let me radiation you.
Go ahead.
There. Got the plate. Let's go.
Oh, that's actually a
Yeah, I
card.
just gave him a free Pokemon card, guys.
Leave me
Oh,
alone.
yes.
We activate the new.
Guys, I tried it. Every toy in the game, I build every toy. It went to the ground. Guys, I'm gonna try to survive with this
what is
thing
wrong
in
with
less
it?
than 5 seconds. If somebody kills me, they win this thing. If somebody kills me in 5 seconds, they win this thing right here.
What the hell? Yo, no one is about in the back.
That didn't kill me. That didn't kill me, man. I'm
No
still
one's
here.
got in the bathroom.
Guys, whoever kills me
No
first gets
complaints
this
now.
item.
Please purchase it.
Hey, I'll give you an actual working. What'd you say? You got that? You got that?
No.
Hey, Pink. I'll give you
Finally.
Guys, whoever kills me,
You can let me radiate.
guys, whoever kills me gets this free item.
I'll let you have one of these that actually works if I radiate you one time.
I don't even know what that does.
Well, you got the item.
I don't think I can take this through stage
Go,
5.
take it.
bro.
Take it.
It's like a video on this.
Take it.
Okay, my VR's about to die, so I can only go.
Well,
I got a
that's
Game
gonna
Boy.
be the
Let's
end
go.
of today's video.
That actually
Hopefully, like I
works.
said, if
Somebody
this
gave me it for
smash
free
that
after
like
they
button,
radiated me.
see you in the next video. See ya.
I'm trying to put this.